How to create a new project on Visual Studio Code. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how you can easily create a new project on VS Code. But before getting started, don't forget to hit the like button down below and subscribe to the channel. So let me show you guys how you can get this application first. You'll have to open up your web browser and then simply search for VS Code download. Hit enter and open up the first link that you see. Now, once you get here, you can download it. If you're using a Windows device, you can click here to download it. If you are on Linux, you can do here. And if you're on Mac OS, you can download it from here. Now, once the application is installed, all you have to do here is simply go ahead and create a new folder. So let me just create a new folder here. And then click on new folder, and I'm just going to name it something like project. Now you are going to go back to your application, click on this file explorer and click on open folder. Now you're just going to go ahead and click on desktop because that's where we just created our new folder, and I'm just going to select this folder. So all of the codes that I will be doing from now on will be on this folder. So if you want to create a new file here, you can do that. So for example, if you're trying to create a new Python file, I'm just going to create main.py, and now a new Python file will be created. So if you have Python installed on your device, all you have to do here is simply start writing the code. Now just type in hello world. So if I just go ahead and run this, as you can see here, now the code has run successfully. So that's pretty much it. If you want to create an HTML file, you can do that as well. So I'm just going to create home.html. Hit enter. So here is a HTML file. You can do CSS, JS, or anything else. So that's pretty much it. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. I'll see you guys on the next video.